Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to automatically rename your payment method based on the state selected by your group of customers. For example, if you have a group of golden customers in your wholesale store and want to rename the payment method for that, especially for that group of users or customers when they select the province as Ontario or something else. So you can rename the cash on delivery payment method to any other name. So let's see how we can configure this. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting this up, I'm using B2B order limit app, which is available from the Shopify app store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. After installing the app, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Payment Rules. Now click on Create New Rule. First, you have to name the rule. Let's say like rename COD for Gold members. So I'm adding just the rule name as rename COD for Gold members, and I'm adding my description as rule set to rename the COD payment methods to local COD, which is available in Ontario only when the state is selected as Ontario, and that will be applied for only golden customers. So this description part is completely an optional one. If you have any additional notes or why this rule is for or what this rule does, then you can add this description. Otherwise, you can also skip the part. Since I'm targeting the customers with a specific tag called gold, I'm choosing the second option. If you are targeting all customers, then you can go for all customers, or else you can target some customers who has spent above a amount of limit. And in case of order conditions, you can either choose one as a condition, or you can add multiple condition as by clicking add button. Currently, I am focusing only on one condition, and that will be state or province is one of ON, which is the Ontario's code. So if you know the state code, then you can directly just add this field by comma separated. Otherwise, you can just browse the code from here. And in case of action type, you can just rename the payment method. Let's say like renaming the payment methods to my payment method is to renamed is cash on delivery, and that should be renamed to local COD Ontario only, and that too when we select Ontario as the state. So after adding all the details, make sure that the status is active and then save it. Now let's try this, or let's test this in our online store. So I am having some products in my cart. I'm trying to check out this. So this is my golden customer detail, and I have selected the province as Alberta. So I am seeing the payment method as cash on delivery. Now let's change this to something else. Let's say I have added the province as Ontario, and my email, this customer detail belongs to the golden one, so that I can see that the local COD Ontario only has been shown instead of cash on delivery. Now I'm just checking whether it is applicable for the non-golden customers. So I have added some customer details which is not tagged with the gold tag. Now you can see that it shows cash on delivery itself. So this is how you can automatically rename your payment method based on the shipping state or province selected by the group of customers or in the group of wholesale customers in your online store. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.